Should you use the same tile throughout your house? Pros and cons you must know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a popular home design trend, using the same tile throughout your entire house. It looks sleek and uniform, but is it really the best choice? Let's find out the pros and cons before you decide. First, the pros. Seamless look. Using one type of tile gives your home a clean, continuous flow. It visually connects rooms, making spaces appear larger and more elegant. Easier maintenance. You'll only need to buy one type of cleaner, and repairs or replacements become simpler. Cost efficiency. Buying tiles in bulk can save money, and it reduces design and installation complexity. Design consistency. It's perfect for a minimalist or modern aesthetic where uniformity enhances beauty. Now, the cons. Lack of warmth. Using the same tile everywhere can make bedrooms or living areas feel cold and less cozy. Slip risk. Tiles used in bathrooms or kitchens need anti-slip surfaces, which might not match tiles used in other rooms. Limited style variation. It restricts your creativity and makes it harder to define different zones or moods in the house. So, before you tile your entire home with one design, balance style, comfort, and practicality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home design tips. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.